Hello everyone, this question says, it's a sequences question, and it says a sequence of terms a1, a2, a3 is defined by a1 is 3 and an plus 1 is 8 minus an. Show that the sequence is periodic. Okay, so I think the first thing to do in any question of this type is to generate the first few terms and see what happens. So we're told that a1 is 3, so the second term a2 is going to equal 8 minus 3. So the second term a2 is going to be 5. Okay, let's see what the next term is. So the third term is going to equal 8 minus the second term. So it'll be 8 minus a2. So therefore a3 is going to be 8 minus 5. So a3 is going to be 3. So let's generate the next term. So a4 is going to equal 8 minus a3. So a4 is going to equal 8 minus 3. So a4 is going to be 5. Now I think we can see that we've got a pattern. We're basically going 3, 5, 3, 5, and it's just going to keep on going round, alternating between 3 and 5 and 3 and 5. Okay, so therefore it is periodic. So we can say, it is therefore periodic, because it just alternates between 3 and 5. Now, part 2. What is the order? So the order is how many terms there are before it repeats. And there's 2 terms before it repeats. So basically it's said to be of order 2. Now, part B. Find the value of the sum from 1 to 85 of an. So let's just imagine what we've got, okay? So we've basically got, we start off with 3, and then we go 5, and then we go 3, and then we go 5, and then we go 3, then we go 5, dot, 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 all the way until we get to 3, and then we go 5 at the end, okay? So that is our first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the way up to our 44th term and our 45th term, okay? Now let's think about what have we got going on here. Basically we're going to have loads and loads of 3s and 5s repeating. So how many pairs are we going to have? Well, let's just imagine if we had 40, let's say we had 42 of them, okay? So 42 pairs, well that would be 42 times by 2, so that would get us up to 44. Okay, so that means that the 44th term would be a 5. So we would have 42 pairs, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs, all the way up to here, up to our 44th pair. Okay, so we're going to have 42 times by 3 add 5, and then finally this is for the summation from n equals 1 to 85. So we're going to get 42 pairings of 3 add 5, and then at the end we'll have a 3. Okay, so therefore it's 42 times 8 add 3. And when you work that out, that turns out to be 339. So yeah, quite a useful little question that. I hope that you found that helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.